And now we come to my front yard. See how many of those guys are there. Wow. Oh my god, I swear. Alright, let's step outside and see what happens. Shoot, did I stop recording? No, guess not. I don't know. Anyway, that's what we have. Let's step outside. As you can see, we're having a bird infestation for one of the only states that aren't have snow, so they came down here to migrate. And I can honestly tell you there's never been this many birds outside. You probably can't see it, but there's thousands of these little guys. Oh my gosh. I've never seen this many birds in my life before. And it's just this morning. They weren't here yesterday or the day before.